Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, we are on another video and we want to start with just boiling beans. There's no beans in the house, so that is what we want to start with. It's gonna be a couple things that I do in my house. Yeah, so enjoy the rest of the video and don't forget to like the video kindly. So our beans is ready to go on fire. I'll just be adding some salt, so it normally tastes so good if you add in some salt. Yeah, these days lighting a jiko has become so easy for me. You just put what do we call, a serviette that has salad cooking oil, and then yeah, everything is gonna be fine. So our beans is on fire. So guys, at this point I just went ahead to prepare lunch, and for lunch we were having ugali. Actually this day we were having ugali for lunch. You can imagine ugali for lunch. Yeah, so having ugali for lunch, I was preparing ugali, vegetables, and also omena. Yeah, so if there's no one around and I want to do some chores, I just put Ivan on my back or even in front of me, but most likely I normally put him on my back, because that one is easier for me to just do things. Yeah, but it's dangerous, but yeah, it is what it is. But I'm a little bit careful when I'm doing that. I also not put her all the time, just the times that I'm doing something and he is crying and there's no one around. So here is our food. Food was ready and it tasted so yummy. Like this ka green mboga, ka ugali, and ka omena was just slapping in a different way. Oh my god. Yeah, so guys, this meal I really enjoyed it. So after a couple of times, so our maragwe was ready, our beans was ready, and it had cooked so well, by the way, so well. Hi mom.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Cooking chapati.
You're cooking chapos.
Yes.
Let's see. Wow. Okay. So this was chapos for dinner, and Pearl was just kneading the dough, yeah, so that it can be ready. So for dinner we were going to have chapatis and beans. Yeah, so that was the plan for dinner. So I had not washed my fridge for the longest time. I've just been wiping it. So today I wanted to wash it because it's empty and I wanted to start restocking. So I'll be using some warm water, soap and vinegar to just make sure that it doesn't have that weird smell inside, because I had felt like it had this weird smell. We had put some pumpkin inside, so iko na ka weird smell ingine hapo. If you don't cover food, it gets that smell. Yeah, so let's just wash this fridge and then we will just be restocking it slow but slowly. So I'll go in to rinse again with some water, just cold water plus vinegar mix. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to rinse this fridge with.
Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again,
So guys, I've washed these ones. These ones are the fridge compatibles. They're just drying over there. Yeah, so after they have dried is when we're going to return them. Meanwhile, I want to cook. So these ones I've cut this big because I want to blend. So I want to cook chapos, beans, and then I want to put these smokies inside the beans here. I've never done that, but I want to see how it's going to taste. Yeah, so let me just go straight to it.
Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. It's all that I needed. I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it.
I love this channel of this lady called Jerusha Mombo. Jerusha Mombo always say that there's no harm in romancing your food. So honestly speaking, what was this I was cooking? But it tasted good, yeah. Even though Pearl didn't like eating beans plus the smokies because she was like, it's stealing the beans taste. Yeah, but I loved it. Yeah, everyone loved it. Eddie loved it. We all loved it, by the way. Yeah, so at this point my food was so done. Pearl did an amazing job. The chapos were done because she was helping me with the rolling plus kneading. I was just cooking and just putting oil in it. So dinner was ready and it tasted yummy. Yes, that is what I will say. It tasted yummy. The beans ziliva vizuri. So if you have these pots, these non-stick pots, don't do what I'm doing. I was using this spoon over here. It might spoil your sufuria. As much as I was keen on it, please don't use it.
Just take a breath and take it deep to show the world that you can see a life that's full of wonder, but it will never be enough.
So guys, the fridge turned out so clean. So everything in here is clean. Like it was not clean initially. Like I had not done some thorough good job in this fridge for a while. I was just wiping with some vinegar water. But today I got the opportunity to just wash it. Also here is clean. Like this place always stores some dirt here. Yeah, so everything is clean. Everything is clean, 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 clean. Yeah. So I'm just in for restocking. I'll start that tomorrow. Are you recording me, Mr. Ah. Is it for real? Like for real? Mbona nasikia ni kama ni kitu soft. Eish. Wow, Kadoli. Love you. Oh, I love you.
caretaker. It depends. Like a baby for me. Katedi. Lui atachukua. Iwe hanyang'anya. Hatu moto nani.
So guys, these are the beans that by the way I prepared. So I've already put them in. So the fridge is still empty by the way. I've not had time to just go to the market. Of course, I know Eddie can't do that work by the way. So I want to create time one of these weekends and just go to the market. So bye guys, and thank you for watching. Nawapenda.